Hello everyone. Today we will be dealing with the very important topic, that is digital lockers. I would like to tell you one story. It was the month of June 2019 and the rainy season had already begun in India. With the start of this, all the state boards and central boards had already declared the results also. The students breathed a sigh of relief after a long wait for their results. This made their parents busy with arranging all the required documents in proper order and keeping them safe for admissions process. The students were excited and overwhelmed to take admission in their dream colleges and universities. Now, my nephew, who had who had just passed HSC board exam, came to visit us. He was very happy and was ready to pursue his further education. His father, that is my uncle, told me that he have been working diligently towards upgrading the necessary documents. For any higher studies, universities demand a lot of documents related to students' birth, mark sheet, certificates, whatnot. So my uncle made sure that all documents are ready. But somewhere in his mind, he had a fear for losing those important documents as they were original and they were in the physical forms. So he knew that if he loses even one of those important documents, his child's admission would be at a stake. And yes, at his child's admission would be at stake, and all his efforts would go be in vain. I tried to understand the problem and I advised my uncle that he can keep the scanned documents of then certificates also, but he should keep it in DigiLocker, that is digital locker. So it should be very safely, right? He said that he has heard about digital lockers, but he is not aware how to open it, right? And how the documents will be there very safely. So I gave him a brief understanding about the digital locker. I informed him that digital lockers, also known as DigiLockers, is online document storage facility and used securely to save the copies of their documents and certificates in digital form. Indian citizens who sign up for DigiLocker account get dedicated cloud storage space that is linked to their Aadhaar or UID number, and so thereby eliminates the use of physical documents and also worry my uncle was having of losing that documents and certificates. He was very curious to know about digital locker more. So in today's session, we are going to discuss about DigiLocker, that is digital locker. You need to log in on https:/digilockers.gov.in. DigiLocker, I have been using DigiLocker since 2017 and I was really satisfied with its service. I also explained my uncle about 5 simple steps how to open the DigiLocker. So let's go ahead and understand about DigiLocker. Thank you.